Hello, children. Let's come again with a chapter Safe Again. We read last time in this chapter that the children in the playground are looking up and pointing to the nest. They are saying, "Look at the baby windhovers. Look at their fluffy feathers." So now the school children are pointing at the birds who are making a house in the school wall. And one evening after the school, I hear a sound of footsteps coming towards us. We shuffle to back of the roost. Now, roost is a place where the birds rest, and shuffle is walking slowly without lifting the feet because they are very small. They are baby windhovers, so they softly move back because they are feeling the risk of somebody coming towards them. We see a dark shape over us and we screech, "Kee, kee." This is not our mother or father. Now they can sense that ये उनके मम्मी पापा नहीं हैं. This is somebody who is strange, जिनको वो नहीं जानते हैं और उनको उनसे क्या लग रहा है? डर लग रहा है. It's a dark shape over us. And this creature does not smell like a bird. अब जैसे ह्यूमन बींग्स के पास देख के फील करने की सेंस होती है, हमें फटाफट से पता लग जाता है ना कि हम इनको नहीं जानते हैं, स्ट्रेंजर्स हैं. इसी तरह से बर्ड्स के अंदर स्मेलिंग पावर होती है. दे कैन स्मेल फील अ पर्सन और somebody who is different than the bird smell. I peck at it and strike with my claws. Now it starts the fight. अब इसमें peck at it यानी कि उन्होंने अपनी बीक से उसको मारा. And strike with my claws. Striking is hitting with the claws यानी कि उन्होंने उसके अगेंस्ट जाने के लिए उसको अपनी बीक से और अपने क्लॉज से हिट किया. The creature holds me tight. I am bundled into soft darkness and taken from my home. That means somebody has stolen the bird from the nest. The bird has been stolen out from the nest, bundled into soft darkness. That means the bird was wrapped into a soft bag or a cloth, and now the bird is not able to see something, whatever is outside. The bird is not able to see that who is carrying along the bird with him to another place, but the bird is taken out from the nest, from its home. After a while, someone lets me out of darkness. I am dazzled by light. Why is the bird dazzled by light? बिकॉज जब हम बहुत देर के लिए डार्कनेस में होते हैं और सडनली हमें लाइट दिखती है तो हम उससे बहुत शॉक से हो जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स यू आर अनएबल टू सी फॉर द फर्स्ट short period because it's a bright light that is coming after darkness, which is very strongly hitting in the eyes of the bird. The bird is saying that now I am dazzled by the light. I try to fly but crash into the strong bars and fall in a cloud of feathers. How is the bird crashing into strong bars? The bird is crashing into strong bars because now it is in a cage. इट्स अ बार्स मीन्स कि वो केज के अंदर है और जैसे ही वो ट्राई करती है तेज़ से फ्लाई करके बाहर निकलने की, वो केज से बैंग होती है और बैंग होके इट फॉल्स इन अ क्लाउड ऑफ फेदर्स. हाउ इज़ द क्लाउड ऑफ फेदर्स कमिंग? फेदर्स का क्लाउड कैसे बनेगा? जब वो बैंग होती है उसके फेदर्स ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. सो इट फॉर्म्स अ क्लाउड ऑफ फेदर्स. Where is my home? Where are my parents, my brother and sister? Where is the sky? So now वो इतने सारे questions उसके दिमाग में आते हैं विंडहोवर के, that I am missing my mama, papa, my brother, my sister and also the sky, because sky is the real home for the bird, not the cage. The real home for the bird is the sky. The birds are meant to be fly in the sky. Again and again I throw myself the bars and fall. So now because of getting irritated, उसको बहुत बुरा लग रहा था उस केज के अंदर, सो वो गुस्से में और पेन में बार बार से उन बार्स के अगेंस्ट अपने आप को बैंग करती है एंड इट फॉल्स बैक बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो वे आउट. बेबीज they cannot get out of the bars of the cage because they are not very strong. Birds are very weak creatures. Then I hear a boy's voice say, "I want you just for myself, my friend." I remember this boy from the playground. Now the bird is able to hear a sound of a boy who is saying, "I want you for myself." And as soon as the bird hears the voice of the boy, He's able to recall that this is the boy from the playground who used to pinpoint us that now we are sitting in the school wall. When he brings me food, he does not tear it into small pieces, so I cannot eat it. See, every parent knows how to bring up their child. Similarly, birds के parents को भी पता है कि वो भी small baby birds हैं, उनको big bites का food नहीं खाया जाता, तो उनके parents तो उनके लिए small bite करते हैं. But now this boy is, what is he doing? He does not tear it into small pieces. एक तो वो boy है, वो कोई मम्मा पापा नहीं है जिसको ये पता है कि bird को कैसे ध्यान रखना है, और दूसरी बात वो बर्ड के पेरेंट्स थोड़ी हैं जो उसका ध्यान रखेंगे जैसे वो बर्ड का ध्यान रखते हैं. तो उस बॉय ने उसके लिए फूड को बिग पीसेस में छोड़ दिया और वो बहुत मुश्किल है उसके लिए खाना. आई थिंक इट हैज़ बीन अ फ्यू डेज आई हैव बिकम थिन एंड वीक बिकॉज नॉट एबल टू ईट प्रॉपर फूड. दैट इज़ वाई द बर्ड हैज़ बिकम, द windower has become weak. The boy now covers my head and I feel my feet being tied. I am carried where I can feel wind in my feathers. Now the boy again covers my head and my feet being tied. I am where I can feel the wind in my feathers. I beat my wings. I try to fly, but I cannot. Now, since the boy does not want to release him, he is saying, I want you for myself. तो वो उसको वहाँ से ले जाने के लिए उसका हेड कवर करता है, covers the head and also ties the feet. When you tie the feet of a bird, it cannot fly because it needs the support of its legs also, both the legs. The bird says that I can feel the wings, I can feel the wind, but I beat my wings. That means make my wings move up and down. I'm trying to flap my wings, but I'm not able to fly. The cover is pulled off. I still can't fly. The bird still can't fly. Then suddenly I hear voice of a girl. So we'll continue in the next video. Bye-bye.